If you are a lover of good food, then make sure you skip no part of this recipe. Hello everyone, it's EmpressTeepha here again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making this delicious pot of yam porridge, also called Asaro in Yoruba, and we are going to be pairing this Asaro yam porridge with delicious pepper sauce. If this is something you'll be interested in, then let's go. To get started, I'm going to be prepping the yam, and I'll do this by cutting and peeling the back of the yam. And after this, I'll be cutting the yam into smaller chunks. This is to make it easier for us to cook. It will cook faster if I cut it into smaller chunks, and it will be very easy to mash at the end of the day. So now that I'm done cutting and peeling, I'll cut it into small chunks, then I'll wash thoroughly. So I washed the yam for about 4 times to get rid of all the dirt and grime on its surface. Now I'll proceed to blending the peppers and the onions, and I'm not using all parts of this pepper and onion mix. I'm going to use part of it, then save the rest for our pepper sauce. Now that we are done prepping, it's time to cook our yam porridge. So inside a clean pot, I pour the cleaned yam. Then I'm adding pepper. I've added 2 chicken stock cube. Then I'll add some salt to taste. Then I'll add butter. So I rinsed out the blender to make sure no part of our pepper is wasted. Then I proceed to add in enough water to get to the same level as the yam. Then I add palm oil. So I'll save the rest of the palm oil for the pepper sauce also, just like I did with the pepper. So I'll place this on it to cook on medium-high heat. Then after a while, I'll come and check on the yam to make sure it's not burning, to make sure there's still enough water to cook it. And right now I'm checking the softness of the yam. Even though the yam seems soft and cooked already, it wasn't mashing at this point. So what I did was I cover it again and allow it to cook for some time before I come back to it to come and mash. Now it's ready to be mashed, and I'm proceeding with the mashing now. Once the yam porridge is properly mashed, I tasted for salt and seasoning if I needed more, and since I don't need more, it means that our yam porridge is ready, and now we can put it off the heat and proceed with the pepper sauce. So I'm just putting a clean pan on the heat. So I lost the part of the clip where I poured palm oil into the pan. So the palm oil is already hot now, so I added pepper, added onion. Immediately I added pepper. I did not wait for the pepper to fry at all. I added my onion, I added the iru, which is locust bean. Then the last thing I added was the ponmo. Then I allow everything to fry together. After about 6 to 7 minutes of frying, I proceed to adding my crayfish. I added the dry fish, the deboned dry fish. Now I'm just stirring everything together. So I added the last chicken stock cube that was remaining. Then I added salt. The last ingredient I'll be adding to this pepper sauce is scent leaves. This scent leaf just take the pepper sauce to a whole new dimension or more. So I ended up not using all the scent leaf that I cut for the pepper sauce. That's because the quantity I added I feel is enough. You don't want the scent of the scent leaf or the essence of the scent leaf to overpower your sauce. Okay, so I just added it sparingly, then I stir it together and the sauce is ready. Our yam porridge asaro is ready, our sauce is ready. Now it's time to eat. If you stayed with me till this point, that means you enjoyed this video thoroughly. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, click the notification bell, share this video with your friends and family, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And please don't forget to comment your thoughts. If you have addition, subtraction, correction, whatever, just comment, just share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you for engaging with my content. I really appreciate each and every one of you that is coming to watch. God, English is hard. I appreciate each and every one of you that is coming to watch my videos. All of you that are subscribing to my channel, thank you so much. Bye and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye bye.